You're the new hope for our country. You're the new hope for your family, cities, wherever you are. You might be able to create a new vision of art, or maybe create so much of employment for people. You might be able to empower people. Some of you will open your foundations. Maybe you will be the reason we all say with a lot of pride that we are Indians. That can only happen if we continue to train ourselves. We cannot stop reinventing. We cannot sit on our laurels. We can't say that, you know what, I did this and I'm done. No, you got laurels come to your life and accolades come to your life in terms of responsibility. And those are your awards for your focus. But those are responsibilities to push the cart even further. Things which uplift you, remember to use those tools to uplift others.